Good afternoon. This is the National Weather Service in Anchorage, Alaska, with Tuesday's Alaska statewide weather. Frontal system brought rain across the Panhandle today with snow over the northern areas, mostly up toward Haines and Klondike Highway. And heaviest rainfall amounts occurred over the southern southeast coast, with Ketchikan picking up 1.8 inches of rain today in 12-hour period, ending at 3 p.m. this afternoon. Craig had 1.4 inches. Petersburg had about half an inch. By contrast, Juneau only had 1/100th of an inch of precipitation. 3 to 6 inches of snow fell in Soldovia today, with wet snow falling in Homer, amounting to a few inches there. Otherwise, areas of light snow and snow showers were spread across Bristol Bay, the eastern Bering Sea, as well as the western interior. For tonight, there's a winter weather advisory until 3 p.m. Wednesday for the western Arctic coast for winds gusting to 30 miles an hour from the east and reducing visibilities and blowing snow to a half mile or less at times. Otherwise, snow advisory is out for until this evening, 9 p.m. this evening, for the Haines and Klondike Highway areas for total accumulations of 4 to 6 inches. Otherwise, look for periods of rain and snow to continue for the remainder of the southeast coast. And it'll be mostly dry over southern Alaska. And then for Wednesday, a stronger storm system begins to affect the eastern Aleutians Alaska Peninsula with increasing north and northeast winds and rain and snow, mostly snow for the eastern Aleutians. Widespread area of light snow and snow showers will cover much of the Bering Sea and the Aleutians. And the weakening trough will produce some snow showers over the Yukon Delta northward into the Kobuk and Selawik Valley areas. Areas of light snow and flurries are possible for the Yukon Flats and North Slope and Arctic coast, and it'll stay wet over the Panhandle. And Thursday, yet another front will keep it wet over the southeast coast with rain and snow and gale force winds along the coast for winds gusting 50 to 55 miles per hour. Gale force winds will develop along the North Gulf Coast as well, with low pressure moving to just south of Kodiak Island. Colder air out west will keep precipitation in the form of snow for the Bristol Bay area as well as much of the western interior, but amounts will be light. And gusty northwest winds to 40 miles an hour will occur over the Alaska Peninsula with light winds over the Aleutians.